So in one of my last videos, I mentioned that one of my favorite things to do is save money. So today I'm going to be looking at a website and app that you can use to save money and get cash back on your online purchases. So the name of the website is called Rakuten, R-A-K-U-T-E-N, Rakuten. And they also have an app if you prefer to use it on your mobile phone. So I actually just signed up for this website maybe a month ago, so I'm a little late to the game, but I have already received my first check from them in the mail. So yes, it absolutely does work, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to sign up for and utilize their website or app. But the first thing I want to tell you about, when I signed up, I got an automatic $10 credit to my account because I used someone's referral code. So if you're interested in using my referral code, I'm going to post that in the video description down below. When you click on that link, it'll take you to the Rakuten website. You will sign up. Once you make your first qualifying purchase, which is a purchase of $25 or more, you will see that $10 show up in your account. You then get to choose how you want your cash back paid out to you. You can choose either a check that gets mailed to you, which is the choice I made, or you can have it linked to your PayPal account. So I'm going to flip my camera around and walk you through how to use the Rakuten website.
All right, so let's say you are amazing and you click on my referral link that's listed in the description of this video. It will take you to this page here where you can join now. And so when you join, you'll enter your email address and your password and click join now. And right above here it says join and get a $10 cash bonus. So you'll get that $10 cash back in your account once you've made a qualifying purchase. And that purchase is defined as any $25 purchase or more. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. And once you get into the website, you will be able to add some information to your account. One of the things that you will need to add is how you want to get paid. So there's two different options on how you can get paid. You can choose to get paid out via PayPal, or you can choose to get sent a actual paper check. So that's the option that I chose, and I was very surprised to find that I got a check fairly quickly and in the correct amount. So that was encouraging. Once you're in here, it's actually really simple. You can search all stores and see all the stores that are partners with Rakuten, or you can shop via category. So you know you're looking for electronics. You can see which stores are offering cash back in that category. One place that I like to look at is the double cash back stores. So these are the stores that are offering a higher percentage of cash back than maybe they typically do. Another fun place to look is under hot deals. So who is offering free shipping, who is offering buy one get one deals, who's offering free gifts with purchases. But for now, let's go ahead and look at one of these featured stores. So Old Navy is offering 4% cash back. Let's go ahead and click there. And if you scroll down a little, you're going to see the different sales that they're offering. You're also going to see the cash back terms. So right here, it tells you that cashback is not available at Gap Outlet or the factory stores, but that's okay. We just want the regular Old Navy, so we're going to click Shop Now. When you click that button, Rakuten is going to redirect you over to the Old Navy website. And from this point on, everything is the same as if you were just shopping online on any regular day. So all the deals on the Old Navy website are still the same. You shop as you normally would and check out as you normally would. And then you will end up seeing the cash back pending in your Rakuten account. And then you will see the cash back credited and what's planning to be paid out to you on your next big fat check. Okay. So one thing that happens to me a lot is I will go to the site that I want to shop on and I will forget to go to Rakuten first. So just know that you can go back to this website, find the store that you are shopping at, click on it, click Shop Now. It will then redirect you back to the site that you had already done your shopping on. And your items will still be saved in your cart, and then you check out. You just have to make sure you at least route yourself from Rakuten to the store you were shopping at before you check out. Okay? Let's go back and let's look for one more store. I want to show you something else to look out for. So I typed in Walgreens. Walgreens says it's offering up to 3% back. Okay, so what does that mean? Right here it shows you the cash back terms. That 3% is on contact lenses, 1% is what you would get back on photo purchases, and you would get 2% cash back on everything else. So again, you click Shop Now, it reroutes you to the Walgreens website, you do your shopping, you check out as normal, and then you'll end up seeing your cash back pending over here in the Rakuten website. So I can actually click on shopping trips and it will show a list of places that I have shopped online. I can save some of those stores as my favorite. Let's see if I've saved some favorites. Yep. So you can see some of my favorites, places that I've shopped at more frequently, and I can easily go and see what % discount they're offering on any given day. So super simple. That $10 cash back initially is pretty awesome. As you can tell, you yourself can make referrals to your friends and family. If you guys have any questions, drop me a line, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And keep a lookout for more videos coming soon. Thanks, guys.